Hello everyone, this is Austin Gregory Johns of the San Clemente Health and Fitness Network, here to show you the ViPR washing machine. Now the washing machine is designed to be a deceleration exercise for the entire core of your body, and it looks like this. To properly implement the washing machine with the ViPR, you take a neutral grip, one hand on each handle. You're going to align your body so that the ViPR is facing away from your foot direction. So I'm turned at an angle. Now I'm going to stutter my feet as I turn the ViPR side to side, back and forth, side to side. Note the rotation of my upper body, my thoracic, my lower body, my hips, and my feet. Next, we'll talk about some progressions and regressions to the ViPR washing machine. Progressions. Regressions. Thank you for watching a demonstration of the ViPR washing machine exercise.